Hello guys, how are you? So today I'm gonna tell you about this new technology called ChatGPT. So let's get started. All you need to do is just type ChatGPT and search it. Once you do, just on the first link like this, ChatGPT optimizing the image. Then click on this try ChatGPT. Let's see where it is. Yeah. So click on try ChatGPT and click sign up. If you are not you haven't created your account yet, so just sign up. You can select your Google account, continue with Google or whatever you want, and I will select my Gmail. Yeah, it might take some time, and type your name and your phone number for confirmation. It will send you a code for confirmation, so just type your number. As I have already made an account, so once you confirm it, this page will pop up, and here it is, ChatGPT. It's an AI technology. You can ask AI anything. You can solve any question you want. It can type a long range of codes. So let's try it. Like, got any creative idea for a 10-year-old birthday? So it's typing. Here it's telling us few solutions, few suggestions. These are good ideas indeed. So let's try something else. Let's try what should I give to you? And here are a few more suggestions like this. These are simple questions, but you can ask any question, like literally any question. It can solve your projects, your any questions. Just like, let's say, explain oxidation, and here the definition. Okay, alright, I don't like mystery, so let's try something else. What is half-life? As you can see, it's typing. Okay, I got it. Let's ask something else, like how long is it? Like, let's say, how long is the value of pi? The value of pi, the very symbol pi. As you can see, it can communicate with us in humanly manners, but it got the intelligence of AI. You can clear your conversation, confirm clear conversation, and you can change the light and dark mode. And we can create new chats. We can have multiple chats with it. Explain quantum computing in simple terms. That's right. See, these are all difficult questions. Let's try a new chat. Error generating response. Okay. Okay, let's try new chat, and How do I make a HTTP request in JavaScript? As you can see, it can generate any code for you. This is literally very helpful for any student or anyone else who need it. As you can see, it has generated a long code. And this is all for today. So thanks for watching.